Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert EPS to PNG in Photoshop. So get ready started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see convert EPS to PNG. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select from. Now find your EPS file. Now select from EPS file. Now click from open option. Now you can see then we show the EPS file. Then EPS file convert from PNG. Now we go into the again file menu option, then click. Now click from save as option. Now select from file name. Now select from convert option. Now select from PNG. Now select from PNG. Now click from save option. Now click OK. That is. Now check the file in the EPS to PNG. That is. Now you can see. That is. Now you can see EPS to PNG file convert in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.